Welcome to WindFarms, a programming tutorial channel that specializes in the NIM language. Here, you will find in-depth tutorials and informative content that will help you become a proficient NIM programmer. Our channel is dedicated to providing high-quality tutorials that are easy to follow and understand, whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer. We cover a wide range of topics related to the NIM language, including basic syntax, data structures, algorithms, and more. In addition to our tutorials, we also offer tips, tricks, and insights to help you optimize your programming skills and become a more efficient developer. With WindFarms, you will have all the resources you need to succeed in your programming journey. So if you're interested in learning more about the NIM language and becoming a better programmer, be sure to subscribe to WindFarms and join our community of like-minded developers today.